of the skills acquired by studying the Advanced Baccalaureate Wales qualification are integral to university study. Planning and organisational skills, things like time and workload management, as well as project management skills will be honed while studying that qualification and are really useful for university level study. Here at the University of South Wales, we integrate the use and development of all of those skills to all of our programmes. Whatever you decide to study at university, research will be a key component of the course to help you complete assignments, to delve into your area of interest, to help answer your own questions and challenge the information you find. With so much information at our fingertips, it's a real skill to be able to research effectively. Students taking this qualification have the freedom to choose what they research, which gives them a real taste of university where they'll have the opportunity to pursue their passion. It's fantastic to see a qualification that really is designed to inform students so that they can make the best decisions for their futures. We often see students in schools and colleges unsure about what they might do in the future, and whether that ends up being coming to study at USW, taking on a degree apprenticeship, or going to an entirely different destination, this qualification really does give them the skills necessary to make an informed decision.